Have you ever spent hours trying to build something only to have it fall apart halfway through? You're not alone. For many woodworking enthusiasts, the frustration isn't a lack of skill. It's the plans. Missing measurements, unclear instructions, and incomplete diagrams turn what should be a fun weekend project into wasted time, money, and effort. Imagine standing in your shop, a half-finished table in front of you, scraps of wood scattered across the floor, and realizing that every mistake traces back to the plan you trusted. Today, we're going inside one of the most comprehensive woodworking resources available to understand why some projects succeed where others fail, and why having the right guidance matters more than any tool. Woodworking is more than a hobby. It's a craft, a way to create pieces that last, and a chance to transform a blank space into something functional and beautiful. Yet for countless hobbyists, the journey from concept to finished piece is riddled with obstacles. Incomplete plans, unclear steps, and assumptions about prior experience create hidden barriers. Ted McGrath, a master woodworker with over 25 years of experience teaching and building, recognized this recurring problem. He saw that even experienced hobbyists could stumble over small mistakes in measurement, misread diagrams, or misinterpret instructions. Over time, this realization became the foundation for a system designed to make woodworking more predictable and less frustrating. In this video, we'll explore the core challenges in woodworking plans and how a tested, complete system can transform a frustrated beginner into a confident builder. Realistic pain scenarios. Consider this. You pick a plan online, eager to build a simple bookshelf for your living room. It looks good. Nice layout, clear photos. You buy the lumber, set aside a Saturday, and get started. Step 4. You realize the measurements don't align. The dado depth is off. A piece won't fit. You double-check your cuts, your angles, even your tools, but the problem persists. One misstep in the plan has now turned your weekend into a frustrating exercise in trial and error. Or maybe it's a garden bench. You followed what seemed like a comprehensive PDF, only to find halfway through that essential assembly instructions are missing. You improvise. The piece wobbles. You waste more lumber. The frustration grows and self-doubt creeps in. Am I the problem? You wonder. Often the answer is no. The plan is incomplete. Hidden layers and misconceptions. Most woodworking plans seem thorough at first glance. Photos, diagrams, step-by-step instructions. But even a minor oversight, like a missing measurement or an unclear joint assembly, can derail the entire project. Without a fully tested method, small errors compound. A 1/16-inch discrepancy becomes a misaligned shelf. A vague note about attaching side panels turns into hours of guesswork. Introducing the solution naturally. Imagine a plan that has been built before you ever see it. Every measurement verified, every step tested in a real workshop, every potential stumbling block addressed. That's the premise behind Ted's Woodworking. Each of the 16,000 plans isn't theoretical. It has been drafted, tested, corrected, and perfected. Many case studies show the difference. A beginner following a standard online plan might waste a weekend, while another following a fully tested plan from this system completes the project efficiently with precise cuts and no wasted materials. Even advanced hobbyists find value. It's not about replacing skill, but about eliminating preventable mistakes. Subtle micro-curiosity. Hooks, have you ever wondered why some plans, no matter how detailed, still fail in execution? The reason isn't your ability. It's the system behind the plan. Plans built in isolation, without testing in a real workshop, leave room for ambiguity. And ambiguity in woodworking always translates to frustration. Another example, a custom storage bench. A beginner tries a free plan from the internet. No dimensions for critical angles, no verified materials list. By contrast, a fully tested plan includes exact cut lists, step-by-step illustrations, and even guidance on assembly sequence. The difference is not imagination, it's systematic testing and real-world refinement. Relatable storytelling. Ted himself shares a story from early in his career. His first commissioned bookcase had a shelf dado off by a 1/4 inch. He didn't catch it until the assembly was complete. The week was lost, $80 of lumber wasted, and the lesson was clear. A plan that hasn't been verified can cost both time and money. That principle became the backbone of the 16,000 plan system. Everything must work in the shop before it reaches the builder. What's the key takeaway? Woodworking success isn't just about talent or tools, it's about guidance. A well-structured, tested plan eliminates guesswork, reduces wasted materials, and transforms frustration into accomplishment. Beginners can build with confidence. Experienced hobbyists can execute complex projects without unnecessary setbacks. When you consider the implications, it's clear why so many projects fail using standard plans. Small mistakes compound, time is lost, and materials wasted. With a verified system, every step is accounted for, every measurement precise, and every assembly logical. The result is efficiency, satisfaction, and real progress. Imagine looking at a complex furniture piece and realizing you could complete it flawlessly, even on your first attempt. How would it feel to open a plan, follow each step confidently, and see the finished product exactly as pictured? That's the outcome of a system that's been perfected over 25 years and thousands of workshop tests. If you've ever struggled with incomplete plans, mismatched measurements, or wasted materials, consider what a tested, comprehensive solution can do for you. Could one resource really give you access to thousands of projects, each verified in a real shop environment? The answer is in the description and pinned comment below, where you can explore the full system for yourself. We'd love to hear your experiences. What's the most frustrating woodworking mistake you've encountered, and how did you overcome it? Comment below, share your stories, and follow for more insights into building smarter, not harder.